Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I am your communications coach with 10 plus years of experience into HR and a soft skill trainer, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently and to improve your communication skills. Well, today I'm going to talk about how you can improve your vocabulary and the best method which will help you to retain that word and memorize it so that you don't forget it ever, and whenever you want to use it you will be able to. This method is very simple, very easy to memorize vocabulary, and it really helps. It is on the go method, right? Wherever you are, whenever you are, you can learn new words, you can learn things on the go. This is a very handy method of learning vocabulary in context and retaining that word, memorizing that word without forgetting it, and whenever you need it, you will definitely be able to use it in your own sentences. How to do this? I'm going to tell you in this video. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected and watch my entire video to know more. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, come on guys, quickly subscribe my channel. You are going to learn a lot. Trust me on this. Like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content. So let's begin. So the best method of learning vocabulary and retaining it in your brain is whenever you are reading something, whenever you have free time, or whenever you are reading something or you're listening to anything, focus on vocabulary. Yes, that is the best way to learn vocabulary. You don't have to sit and open your dictionary and memorize all the words and meanings and sentences, right? Don't do that. The whole day, whatever you are doing, wherever you are, you get to talk about something, you get to read about something, you get to hear about something, right? Focus on picking up new words. Okay, or if not that, whatever time you have taken out for your English practice, take out 5 minutes for vocabulary session. Okay, and in this session what you can do is you can just pick up a book, an article, or your mobile. Everything is there on your mobile, guys. Nowadays you can search any article and you can start reading it out loud for 5 minutes and start collecting vocabulary, start knowing the meaning, see in what context it is used, what sentence you can use it. Start practicing in this way. So what this will do is you are reading something, you are listening to something, and if you do it continuously for a month, if you keep on listening to different stuffs and different words and different vocabulary and keep on recording it every day, like keep on knowing the meaning and using it in your own sentences in context with what you have read, it will be very easy for you to retain that vocabulary, because when you are reading something, when you're listening to anything, those are very common words which are spoken. Okay, so you will get those words repeatedly. Spoken English is not very vast. Very limited words in English are spoken every day. So when you'll start reading articles, news, or listening to any stuff in English like movies or podcast or your favorite series or anything else, cooking show or travel vlog or whatever you are listening to, you will get those words again and again. Okay, now what this will do when you get one word again and again, definitely you are going to revise it. It will come to your head. I have read this word before, and you'll be able to revise it. And in this way, you will get to know, you'll have a big collection of words which are spoken every day, in every conversation, in spoken English basically. So for a month at least, if you start doing this activity in this way, take out 5 minutes, start reading something, start listening to something, and pick up words, their meaning in context to the story or the article or anything which you are listening to, and start using it in your own sentences, it will definitely help you to retain those words, know those words, and it will help you to use those words in your own sentences while speaking English, right? Okay, because you will get repetitions, you will see that these words are repeated again and again. So maybe whatever you have collected words. 100% all the words will not be repeated. Maybe 50% words you will see it is a repetition, or you will get again and again. Okay, twice or thrice or 4 or 5 times maybe, or 10 times also some words can come up. So this is really going to help your brain in retaining that, memorizing that without putting any extra effort. So start using this method and it is really going to help you a lot, guys. I am going to read an article and I'm going to tell you how you can pick up vocabulary, how you can know its meaning, and how you can use it in your own sentences for practice to retain it or to memorize that word. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so guys, this article is about fitness. So I've taken this article from Money Control and it reads fitness tips. There are some fitness tips which they are giving in this article. So I'm trying to read that out and I'll tell you how you can pick up the vocabulary and how you can know its meaning and use it in your own sentences in context. Okay, park further away, take the stairs, and other simple techniques to walk more daily. So this is basically about walking. Okay, park further away. What does further away means? It is again a phrase or phrasal verb. Further away, which means if your destination is here, you should park at a distance. Further away means little ahead, go little ahead, or park it little far from your destination so that you have to come or go to your destination. Okay, so you have to park further away, which means a little ahead or far away. Okay, take the stairs. Take the stairs is very easy. You have to use the stairs. Okay, and other simple techniques to walk more daily. There are simple and effective ways to incorporate more walking into your daily routine without needing extra time or equipment. So simple and effective. These are very simple. Also effective means it will give you results. Okay, incorporate. Now here it says there are simple and effective ways to incorporate more walking into your daily routine. Incorporate more walking, which means you have to take in. Incorporate means you have to include, basically include more walking every day without needing extra time or equipment. Equipment means any item or thing which will help you in exercising or walking. So you don't need any props or anything. It's just simple that you can incorporate walking into your daily routine, right? Some tips include taking the stairs, walking during phone calls, walking instead of driving short distances, and more. So some tips include means comprise or contain, or these are some tips which will help you in doing this, which means that include means you have to take in, or you have to contain or comprise. So what are the tips? The tips comprise of taking the stairs, walking during phone calls. When you get a phone call, you have to walk. Walking instead of driving short distances, and more. These small adjustments help increase daily activity and improve overall health. Now, coming to this statement, these small adjustments. What does adjustment means? Adjustment means to alteration or adapting small things or altering things here and there, right? So basically, these small adaptations, these small things which you change basically in your daily routine, your daily life, help increase daily activity and improve overall health. So improve means to better. Okay, it will better your health. It will help you to improve your health. So this is what it means. So this article was very simple, guys. So we have taken the words like, we got the vocabulary like further away, which is also a phrasal verb or a phrase. Techniques. Technique means an effective way of doing something. Okay, the right way of doing something or the effective way of doing something means technique. So we have learned further away, we have learned technique, effective, incorporate, equipment, include, adjustments. So we've learned 7 words, right? And these are very simple words, guys. We can use it further away. How we can use this word further away? There's a parking area further away on the right side, right? So we can use this in this way as well. Next word is effective. How we can use this word? The medicine was very effective and it cured my throat ache. The medicine which I took for headache was very effective. Or the medicine which I took for my throat ache was very effective. Okay, so this you can say. Another word is incorporate. To include. Okay, I want to incorporate a diet plan to lose weight. I want to incorporate a diet plan to lose weight. Right? It's as simple as that. Equipment. I want to buy some gym equipments so that I can start using it at home. I need to buy some gym equipment so that I can start using it at home. Include. I liked your idea. I want to include it in my proposal. I liked your idea and I want to include it in my proposal. Instead of taking a nap, I thought of doing some meditation. Adjustments. I need to do a small adjustment to my script before speaking. Right? So I need to do a small adjustment in my speech before delivering it. Okay. So these are very simple words, guys, and these words you will get when you will start reading a lot of articles or books or newspaper, or if you will start watching things on YouTube or any other channel, whatever you like, on television, anywhere else, you will see these things, these words you will get again and again and again and again. So pick up these words, start revising these words, start picking up these basic words, right? Instead, effective, adjustments, improve, etc., etc. And you don't have to memorize anything. You will keep on repeating it every single day. If you'll start reading it or listening to any stuff just for vocabulary, learning vocabulary, you will see one word, how many times these words will come up. And that is the only reason you will not have to memorize it. By practicing or by repeating it every single day, or once in 2 days or 3 days, you will get these words. It will help you in memorizing it without taking an effort to memorize it, and you will be able to know the meaning, understand the meaning well in context, and you will be able to use those words also in your own sentences. Trust me on this. This is on the go method. When you are traveling, when you are walking, when you are doing exercising in a gym, you just have to put your headphone on and you have to listen to words. You have to listen to different things and collect vocabulary from there. Okay, collect words, come back and do that exercise again. Whenever you are traveling, you are sitting, spending some time alone, before going to sleep, in the morning when you're free, that your brain is free, stress free, try listening to some stuffs or reading some stuffs in English for 5 minutes and collect vocabulary and start knowing its meaning and use it in your own sentences. This is every day. If you start repeating this exercise for a month at least, you will see the difference. You will have a lot of words in your brain which you will be able to use it in your own sentences when you're actually speaking in English. Take it from me and trust me on this. Start doing this exercise and you will see the difference. And the other thing is, when you are reading an article, you can just click there, double click there, and you will get a Google search bar, and immediately on the spot you will be able to know the meaning as well. So you don't have to go back and forth here and there. You just have to double click there and you will get to know the word's meaning, its pronunciation as well. So you don't have to take any extra effort or do to and fro here and there, right? On the spot, then and there, you will get the meaning and pronunciation as well. Start focusing on vocabulary and pronunciation for 5 to 10 minutes every day, and you will see how easily you will be able to memorize words, and you will have a big collection of words to use also. You will know the meanings, you will know in what context it is used, and you will be able to use it in your own sentences also by following this method. Yes. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.